So first and foremost, for hygiene purposes, we always use our disposable cloths and we sit our gear there. The beauty of that is that we can discard it when we're finished. So we're going to do a quick demo of filling our ampule with our 1 ml of hyaluronic acid. So always over a disposable sheet in case you drop anything. We want to pull that off. So it's empty, lay that down, and you just have to twist this off. Lay that up. And we're just going to fill it up. Now you only want to fill it up to about 15. And you'll see why. So we're going to quickly fill that up. Just like that. And you can see it's up to 15. We're going to insert the syringe part of it and push it right up till the hyaluronic acid is just peeping up from the top. Place that down. Put your lid back on your hyaluronic acid. Now it's a bit of a maths game here. So this 0.3 mils can do 6 shots because we're only going to shoot 5 units in at a time. It's safer to shoot 5 units than anything more, as most of it will come out if you try to do too much at once. So you want to make sure there's no air bubbles in it. Just give it a few taps, bring all those air bubbles to the surface, and just push it up until you can see the hyaluronic oozing from the top. Okay, I'm going to put that down and I'm going to get my pen ready. So if your pens, this is the housing part. I need you to wind it all the way to the top, and you're going to crank the handle. You're going to get your syringe, your ampule, and we're going to insert it and we're going to screw it in. Make sure that's nice and tight. Now the measurements here's got 0, and some of our pens, they start from 5. So it's already preset. So if you've got 5, that's okay. You've cranked it first before you put that in. Now this is set and it's loaded, so it's ready to go. So before we start with anything, we're going to sterilise the lips with the alcohol pad. So we're going to do 6 shots here, that's 1 ampule, and we're going to do 6 shots of 5 units here. So if we just mark it out so it's nice and even, we're going to start with the oral commissure, which is the corner of the mouth. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to stop 6 there, and we're going to start the next 6 from the peak of the lips. So that's a cupid's bow, but we don't really want to be going in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see that looks sort of pretty even. Now the aim is to get the derma filler sitting on the border. So we're going to roll up the lip, grab this lip. We're going to keep it straight. And you want you want to hold that thumb there on that border. So when it shoots through, it hits the back of your thumb. Okay, just let your clients know, make sure it's nice and firm. And Alicia, you're just going to feel a little pinch and scratch. How'd that feel? So before you move on to the next 5 units, we need to crank it. We need to wind it down to 10. So it's increments of 5. Down to 10. So that's our second shot, 10. And you can see from 25, it should go to 20. Did you have your thing pieced?
Years ago.
So we're going to use a little bit of hyaluronic serum to massage the lips. It's really important that we give them a nice good massage to even out those lumps. So you grab the lip like this, and you can feel them along there. Just mould that hyaluronic acid into that lip form. Make that. See how I've got that straight so that it goes straight down. Push it down. So we want to push that, encourage that gel to in here. So squeeze the lips, squeeze the gel. So I've got the five units there, 5 units here, 5 units there to make that bottom lip a bit more fuller, and I think more over here. So about